How to write words in Blender without any other program. As you see, I've written here YouTube. In edit mode it looks like this. Let's delete it, and then when we started there is cube, just delete that cube, then press Shift A, and in this place make curve, Bezier. You see now Bezier, press 7 on top view, and then press tab for edit mode, press A and X and delete everything, and then go to the left side here, and you see here there is annotate and draw. Press draw, and right here, let's say YouTube, just in slang, okay. And then what you do, you press again button A and go to this right place. See that weird green symbol, data, press on it. It's the third one from down to top, and here you go to this geometry, extrude, just make some extrusion, depends what you want, and then go back to object mode, pressing tab, and you have word. So how to edit this? You press right click and then convert to mesh, and now you have something that you have written in Blender. The same thing you can do to images. When you take some 2D image, and you can take your tablet and with your sensor pencil you can draw that easily on it. Thanks for watching.